This video will demonstrate how to connect to NordVPN using Windows 11. Some current issues in Windows 11 prevent successful connection through the NordLynx setup, which usually functions well on Windows 10, 7, and earlier versions. A temporary workaround will be shown that allows NordVPN services to function until the suspected driver issue, most likely on the networking side, is resolved. Attempting a quick connect leads to a long waiting period as the app tries to connect to a server. Eventually, the connection fails. No need to wait for the full failure message here, since most viewers are likely already familiar with this behavior if this video was sought out. The issue appears related to NordLynx and UDP versions of the VPN protocol. To resolve it, a switch to the TCP version is necessary. First, the NordVPN app should be completely closed. It may display a message saying it will terminate, which is expected. This is a clear example of how the process can get stuck and become frustrating when it doesn't respond properly. Once the app is closed, it should be reopened. From there, head into the settings and make some adjustments. One setting will be changed initially and tested. If the connection works afterward, the issue is likely resolved. If not, there's an additional option that should work on virtually any network. Within the settings, go to Connection, then from VPN Protocol, disable the option that allows NordVPN to automatically choose the VPN protocol and server. Manually select the VPN protocol. Avoid using NordLynx or OpenVPN UDP. Instead, select OpenVPN TCP, as that's the one currently providing consistent success. The rest of the settings can remain unchanged. After this change, test the connection. In most cases, the connection should now succeed. Testing the updated settings should reveal whether the workaround is effective. And that's it. Thank you for watching.